Hi Willow, so today we are going to make some flying superheroes. I'm going to send these home in your home learning packs. So we need some scissors, some sellotape, some string or wool and some glue. So we need to carefully cut out our superhero, making sure you do not cut off this white bit here. So we need to cut round carefully. Like that. Put that down there. See, I didn't cut the white bit off. We're going to fold that over and we're going to glue it. And then fold your superhero round to make a cone. Like that. And then we're going to repeat it again. Remember not to cut off the white bit. Cutting carefully. Watch your fingers. My white bit's still on. Fold it over. Glue the white bit. Make another cone. And then here's some I made earlier. And we're going to get our string, make it a long bit. Let's cut it. And then we are going to, if I can find the end, we are going to stick our string or wool into our superhero. Let's post it through first, so we've got something to hold on to. So we're going to stick it in there like that. And then we're going to thread the rest on and stick as we go. And the next one, you can do as many as you like. Watch your fingers. And then you can fly your superheroes around your house. Have fun! See you later!